In the previous video, we already learned about some basic command of Cisco. One of command that we already learned is enable password and enable secret. If you remember, the enable password command is not secure. This is because the password is shown clearly when we show running config. But the enable secret is secure because the password is encrypted. Let's see in the router. Here we can see that the password of enable secret is encrypted. Okay, now let's go to the switch. And here we are going to configure enable password. Here, when we go to privilege mode, we don't need to type any password. This means that the password is not configured yet. Okay, go to configuration mode. And then here, we will configure the password. Enable password, and then the password. Let's say 123. Now let's exit. And then show run. Here we can see that the password is 123. Once again, the password of enable password will not encrypted like this. So actually this is not secure. There is a command in Cisco that we can use to encrypt an unencrypted password like this. Okay, let's try. Go to global configuration mode again. And here let's type service password encryption. Okay, now let's try to show run again. Remember to use do. Here we can see that the password is encrypted. But actually, we can decrypt this easily. Let's try to decrypt this. Copy the encrypted password. And we can googling Cisco password decrypt. Let's choose the first one. And here we can just paste the encrypted password. Okay, here we can see that we can decrypt the password easily. The password is 123. Okay, so the conclusion is we can encrypt the password of enable password with service password encryption, but the encrypted password is very weak. This means that we can decrypt the password easily. That is why the best practice is to use enable secret rather than enable password, because the encrypted password of enable secret is very strong. Okay, I think enough for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.